This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can change the flight/shooting mode on this drone. So at the start, launch the camera feed of the AUTEL Explorer app, and then look here. Open this page, and now you can select between all those modes. So here are the, shooting modes, manual flight, panorama, hyperlapse, and you also have a bunch of flying modes as well, such as orbit, hyperlapse, dynamic track, tripod track, parallel track, viewpoint, smart orbit, regular orbit, dual stability, precision flight, gesture control, and VR. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.